dancers!
Dancers!
Lahat na.
We are indeed very blessed, not just with talents, but also the hard work of yung nature natin na pagiging hardworking, resilient, kuya. Kahit ano pong problema, we are always smiling.
Tama.
Yes. And of course, we are going to thank the very culture na natanim sa atin when we were young. That is something that we are taught when we are mga maliliit pa lang tayo.
Very thankful indeed.
Yes. And again, embracing that culture, we're going to present another cultural dance. Kuya, who is our next performers?
Let's welcome on stage Phil Scott dancers, Ishar, dancing Luis Luis.
One more time, our Phil Scott dancers from Ayrshire.
Okay ba?
Palakpakan naman!